Alrighty. Alright, so here we are. Welcome, guys. So we are in the Borla S Type exhaust. Yeah, I freaking love this thing. Now keep in mind, the Remark has its place and actually has a really great tone depending on what you're looking for. So, you know, the one reasons why I even went with Remark is because, well, price point. You know, you spend about $400 for an axleback, so it's good because one, you get good sound, and you get improved looks, and then at a great price. So those three factors made it more than well worth it. Now the con, obviously, there's drone. Because I mean, it's essentially a muffler delete. What any of the axlebacks, like what Remark is. So it's you're deleting the muffler, but you still keep the OEM resonator. So now this is a full catback system from the first gen, the Borla S Type, and I was able to get it for almost close to the same price as a brand new Remark. So and this was an exhaust that I've always wanted to get to begin with. So which is it's just great. It just worked out great. So now the Remark is for sale. Now I'm selling that. Yeah. So talking about this exhaust, I will talk about the install. The install went pretty straightforward. It was my first time doing like a catback on a car, and it worked. It was super simple on this car. So everything has like the adjustable clasps that go over the hose, so it's a great design. The first time I saw this design in person was with AWE when we installed it on my buddy's S550 Mustang. That was the first time I saw that design, and yeah, I thought it was really cool because you don't have to take it to an exhaust shop and get anything welded. It's all bolt-on, direct bolt-on. And I will say, make sure you invest in an exhaust hanger removal tool, because that is a game changer. WD-40 and exhaust hanger removal tool, best friend. They pop right out. So me and my buddy Aaron, we were able to knock this out. I think it took us about an hour. The time consuming part was really just jacking up the car. thing is, it's a night and day difference, because it's a totally different type of exhaust from Remark. You're going from a axleback muffler delete to like a, you know, actual muffled system. And the S Type is like, I've had the S Type on my 2006 Legacy GT, and that is the best, in my opinion, the best OEM Plus exhaust, because, you know, you still get like almost factory like characteristics, especially on startup. But when you get on it, that's where you get the tone, and you get a really nice, it's just a nice smooth tone. Even my buddy Byung with the Evo, he wrote it, and he said it was just a really smooth tone, and I agree. It's just smooth across the band, and I cannot complain. So some sounds here. So yeah, overall, what a great exhaust, great everyday driver. It's a lot quieter when you're cruising. The Remark had significantly more drone. This has very little, if anything. I won't say completely gone, but it's just very, very minimal in my opinion. And the startup is not as crazy as the Remark either, because we all know the OEM cold start is pretty loud already. But it's not as bad on this car, so I can start it up in the morning and it's not going to be nothing, you know, not as hateful or crazy. So I mean, it's a great everyday driver OEM Plus exhaust, and I do have the active sound disconnected, so I can you know, but it's still relatively quiet. We'll see when I take it out to like an HPD or track event, you know, but right now, I mean, it's great. I love it. It is perfect. But yeah, other than that, highly recommended. Got it at a great price, and you know, this, I mean, this is for the first gen, so I don't know if the second gen is any different as far as the Borla S Type system. but no complaints right now for the first gen model. So hopefully, you know, we'll see. Now I'm pretty content with this exhaust system. So this was my ultimate goal anyways. I wanted to try out the Remark just kind of review purposes and just kind of see how it was, and it did great. I took it out for one, you know, hpde track day, and it was great. I could hear the car no problem. But now this time this will be a lot quieter, so it'll be interesting to see how this, you know, performs in sort of like a performance driving environment. But as far as everyday driving, it's perfect in my opinion. So it's great, love it. I hope you guys are doing well, and we'll see you on the next video. Hi.